Malangara Marthoma Syrian Church of Malabar, Chennai, Bangalore Diocese. Church, journeying with the people in pain and suffering. Faith makes all things possible. Hope makes all things work. Love makes all things beautiful. Dedication makes all things wonderful. The Chennai-Bangalore Diocese is spread over 3 states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and the Union Territories of Andaman and Nicobar, Pondicherry. It also includes Abu Dhabi and Al Ain in UAE of the Arabian Gulf. The Chennai-Bangalore Diocese is blessed with the visionary leadership of His Lordship, Right Reverend Dr. Isaac Ma Felix Nos Episcopa. His blessed leadership and academic acumen have blessed our diocese in its institutional development and mission praxis. At present, we have 75 parishes, 55 congregations and more than 100 chapels and house churches in the diocese, reaching out with the gospel message to more than 805 villages. We need more places of worship and mission houses. The diocese receives the fruitful service of a team of 95 priests, 190 evangelists and social workers. There are 63 Balavadis in the diocese catering to small children from the villages. These are the centers for their physical and social growth. Dedicated teachers are employed for educating these children. The student centers and student hostels of our diocese is serving with the motto Education for Liberation. This service is to care for students with limited resources in the various mission fields and provide them with good hostel facilities. The diocese has ventured to expand its mission enterprises beyond the conventional areas. We could start the service among the HIV affected families in Tamil Nadu and the northern part of the Kerala state. A rehabilitation program by name Anpin Karam was started at Kuruvakalam in 2010. The Marthoma Students Ministry in the Chennai-Bangalore Diocese has a total of 12 students centers. Hospital Guidance Ministry. The Alexander Marthoma Valley Metropolitan Memorial Fellowship and Guidance Home at Vellore and the Hospital Guidance Center in Manipal extend services to the patients and their relatives coming to seek medical assistance from various parts of the world. In addition to this, we ensure best medical care, speedy discharge process and smooth legal procedures in extreme situations. The patients and their relatives were given proper assistance by ensuring better treatment and comfortable stay. Fellowship visits, prayer at the center, bedside visits, counseling, medical assistance and transportation to the hospital were offered to the needy. We were able to serve about 2,000 patients and their relatives who came from different parts of our country and abroad during the year.
Chennai-Bangalore Diocese of the Marthoma Church covers an area of 3 states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and the Union Territories of Andaman, Nicobar and Pondicherry areas. The diocese is known for its mission endeavors. The emphasis on the proclamation of the gospel, the evangelization is very much the life of the diocese and of the church. Thousands of people have joined the church through the mission activities in various places in this diocese. The students' ministry is another area we concentrate, giving guidance and helping hand and motivation to the student community in various cities where they study. Hospital guidance at various places like Vellore, Manipal, and Mangalore gives yeoman services to the needy patients who come for treatment in various hospitals. Vellore Guidance Home is a dream project of the diocese, which was well accepted by the church and the society at large. It helps the patients who come to Christian Medical College, Vellore, for treatment. And the compassionate and hospitable approach of the social workers makes their stay and the treatment period comfortable and more homely. The first phase of the project, that is the construction of the building to accommodate about 40 people, have been completed earlier. And now we are in the process of giving more facilities through the second phase of accommodating more than 50 people in the new home. The church exists for its mission. Whatever little things we do for others matters a lot in their life, and it is our responsibility to engage in such programs, giving hope and peace of mind to the needy people who are in ailment, who are in distress, and who need our assistance. I wish and pray that God may continue to guide all our activities and strengthen all those who are responsible in giving guidance to the needy people wherever they are. May God bless us.
Alexander Marthoma Valley Metropolitan Memorial Fellowship and Guidance Home, Vellore. Christian Medical College Hospital, Vellore, a century-old Christian institution, was founded by Ida S. Scudder and is in the city of Vellore in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. The city of Vellore, a district in Tamil Nadu, has long been known for its stately fort and temples, renowned hospitals and medical college. It is located between the important South Indian cities of Chennai and Bangalore, considered as the Silicon Valley of South Asia. It is 180 kilometers west of Chennai and 210 kilometers east of Bangalore. From all parts of the country and from abroad, the deceased are coming here. Dedication and Christian services of the staff, students and many charitable organizations are making a real meaning to the wonderful healing process of Christ. The idea of starting a hospital in this area came to Ida Sophia Scudder in the late 19th century when Ida visited her medical missionary father John Scudder Jr. at his port in Tamil Nadu. One night, Ida was asked to help 3 women struggling in difficult childbirth. Custom prevented their husbands from accepting the help of a male doctor, and being untrained at that time, Ida could do nothing. The next morning, she was shocked to learn that the women had died. By considering this incident as a call, she decided to study and begin a health ministry at Vellore. By 1900, she started her medical ministry. Now, CMC is crowded with more than 6,500 new patients every day. More than 1 lakh of people are coming for inquiries, diagnosis and treatment. Our church started a fellowship and guidance home at Vellore to provide guidance to the patients of CMC, to provide accommodation for the patients and their relatives, to give fellowship, counseling and spiritual nurturing. This social welfare project of Chennai Bangalore Diocese is called as Dr. Alexander Marthoma Metropolitan Memorial Fellowship and Guidance Home. We have many rooms and facilities at Vellore.
ഗൈഡൻസ് സെൻ്ററിനെ കുറിച്ചാൽ എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര അഭിപ്രായമാണ്. കാര്യം അത്ര ആത്മാർത്ഥത ഇതിനകത്തുണ്ട്.
We have a chapel for praying, sharing and fellowship.
ഞാൻ ഈ ഗൈഡൻസ് സെൻ്ററിൽ വന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് എനിക്ക് ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുകയാണ്. കാരണം എനിക്ക് അത്രമാത്രം സപ്പോർട്ട് ഞാൻ മാനസികമായിട്ട് ഒരുപാട് തകർന്ന സമയത്താണ് ഞാൻ ഈ ഗൈഡൻസ് സെൻ്ററിൽ എത്തുന്നത്. അതിനുശേഷം എനിക്ക് മാക്സിമം സപ്പോർട്ട് ഈ ഗൈഡൻസ് സെൻ്ററിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നു. ഇപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ വളരെ ഹാപ്പിയാണ്.
But we need more space and facilities for giving comfortable accommodation in a prayerful atmosphere. Our service includes personal assistance and guidance at CMC, pastoral care, fellowship and bedside visit. We need more buildings and infrastructures. Now, near to CMC Vellore and near to the National Highway, we have started constructing the second phase of the guidance home. It is meant to be a home away from home when you are at CMC Vellore and when you need any help. We are providing van for transportation, AC and non-AC accommodation including kitchen. To complete the second phase construction, we need sponsors and donors.
ഗൈഡൻസ് സെൻ്റർ അനേകം പേഷ്യൻ്റ് ഇവിടെ കടന്നു വന്നാൽ അവർക്കതൊരു ആശ്വാസവും സമാധാനവും സന്തോഷമാണ്. സ്വന്തം ഭവനത്തിൽ കഴിയുന്ന പോലെ ഈ ഭവനത്തിൽ ഇതൊരു സ്വന്തം വീട് പോലെ ഞങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്.
Nowadays, there are no barriers for sickness. The rich and the poor, alike to the common, people are in search for comfort. Many experience the helping hands of Marthoma Guidance Home. We must work as a witnessing community. Surely, our new guidance home needs special consideration of each and every one. We expect your prayers and generous contributions for fulfilling this holistic ministry.